Hello everyone, and welcome to King Tech Solutions. Today, I have something revolutionary to share with you. A transformative approach to research writing that will save you time, sharpen your work, and elevate your results. Yes, we're talking about the magic of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a student, academic, or professional, AI tools are here to revolutionize how you tackle your research. So, grab your coffee, tea, or even some popcorn, and stick with me through this game-changing tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's dive in. Imagine a time when writing a research paper meant hours of tedious literature searches, juggling endless citations, and struggling to draft coherent paragraphs. For many, that's still the reality. But AI is rewriting the rules of research writing. What once felt like a marathon of repetitive tasks has become an efficient and streamlined process. Not only do these tools save time, but they also supercharge the quality of your work. Take ChatGPT, for example. It's like having a brainstorming buddy that's always ready to help. Scite.ai, it's your personal citation detective, finding and contextualizing references in a flash. Grammarly, think of it as your ever-vigilant grammar coach, ensuring your writing is polished and professional. And guess what? In 2023, nearly 45% of researchers reported actively using AI to amplify their productivity and focus on deep, analytical tasks. The numbers don't lie. AI can slash your writing time by up to 30%, leaving you with more energy to think, analyze, and create. But here's the catch. While AI is an incredible tool, it's just that, a tool. The brilliance of your research will still come from your insights, creativity, and hard work. Let's start with the foundation of every great research project, defining your topic. We've all stared at a blank page wondering, where do I even begin? This is where AI steps in as your brainstorming superhero. For instance, type a keyword like climate change into ChatGPT and watch it generate exciting, relevant topics such as AI-driven renewable energy optimization or policy gaps in carbon credits. These suggestions not only ignite your creativity, but also align your research with current trends. Once you have a broad idea, it's time to refine it. AI tools can help identify gaps in existing research. For example, while renewable energy costs are well documented, there may be fewer studies on their societal impacts. Finding and filling these gaps makes your research valuable and unique. But that's not all. AI can even help you set smart objectives: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Say you want to explore public perceptions of AI in healthcare. AI can help structure surveys, suggest measurable goals, and align your objectives with practical timelines. It's like having a research assistant who works 24/7. Next comes the infamous literature review, usually a daunting, time-consuming task. But not anymore. AI tools like Scite.ai and Google Scholar turn this mountain into a molehill. Scite.ai doesn't just find articles, it tells you how they're cited. Are they praised, criticized, or used as background? This extra layer of context helps you prioritize credible, high-impact sources while avoiding redundant ones. And what about those dense, 40-page papers? Don't sweat it. AI can summarize key findings, methodologies, and conclusions, saving you hours of reading time. But here's a tip. Always double-check your AI-sourced materials. Peer-reviewed and reliable sources are the backbone of any credible research paper. Data collection and analysis? AI's got you covered here too. For quantitative research, tools like OpenRefine can clean and organize large datasets in minutes, saving you from hours of manual work. If you're diving into qualitative research, natural language processing tools like NVivo analyze textual data with precision. Imagine analyzing thousands of social media posts about mental health. NVivo can classify posts by sentiment, topic, or even geographic trends, uncovering insights you might otherwise miss. Now comes the exciting part, writing. Structuring your paper effectively is crucial, and AI tools like ChatGPT make it easier than ever. Let's say you're studying the effects of urban green spaces on mental health. ChatGPT can outline your paper with sections like introduction, methodology, and discussion. It can even suggest content for each section, ensuring a logical flow that keeps readers engaged. And don't stress about citations. Tools like Zotero and EndNote handle them seamlessly, formatting your references in APA, MLA, or Chicago style with a click. Once the draft is ready, it's time to polish. This is where Grammarly and Pro Writing Aid come to the rescue, catching grammar errors, refining sentence structure, and ensuring your work is accessible to all readers. Plagiarism detection tools like Turnitin provide peace of mind by flagging overlaps with existing work, ensuring originality and compliance with academic integrity standards. As amazing as AI is, let's talk ethics. Over-reliance on AI can dilute the originality of your work, so use it as a support system, not a crutch. Always cite AI contributions transparently, and if your research involves sensitive data, ensure the tools comply with privacy regulations like GDPR or HIPAA. AI is revolutionizing research writing, making it faster, smarter, and more accessible than ever before. But remember, the true power of your research comes from you, your ideas, your analysis, and your creativity. Looking ahead, the potential for AI in research is limitless, but it's up to us to use it responsibly. Embrace AI as your ally, and let it amplify your abilities to push the boundaries of knowledge. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to King Tech Solutions for more game-changing insights. Until next time, keep exploring, innovating, and reaching new heights.